Hi, it's Anthony with Lighthouse Construction. On today's episode, we have some exciting project updates. Join us where we're taking you beyond the blueprint. Let's talk about this crawl space. So you can see here, we're now below in what was a raised structure. We finished the excavation, we finished the helical piers, and now we're sitting in its final resting place. So let's talk about the wall assembly here. You can see there is a vapor barrier that's wrapped around this footing. That's gonna help keep all the moisture in the ground there and not come into our building envelope. And then this footing has been tied into the helical piers, and our ICF wall has been set on top of that. So that creates a structure that's gonna last the test of time, as well as create a really nice dry crawl space down here to be used under this existing structure. Let's talk about the mechanicals in this crawl space. So the mechanicals are gonna be ran as a traditional system, but because we have a slab on grade connection between where our utility room is gonna be placed, we're utilizing blue duct in order to run a main trunk line over to this portion of the home. So that was actually all poured in place underneath that slab to connect to the utility room, and that way all of this can be serviced off of this trunk line. I'm currently standing in what will be the utility room for the entire structure once our project is complete. So what we have here is a crawl space where all of our trunk lines for our HVAC system run back. And because some of them are more traditional and some of them are underground, we have a combination of a blue duct system with traditional ductwork attached to the crawl space. Let's take a look at the slab and see where this all comes outside. So I'm standing on the garage slab right now, and since we were out here last, this slab has been poured. You can see we have a floor drain here, and then we have this ICF wall that's used to transition between the height of the garage and the height of what will be the finished home here. As you look out to this concrete slab, you're gonna notice we have all sorts of mechanical rough-ins. We have our blue duct rough-ins here. We have some plumbing waste lines, a drain for the shower there. And then right, I'm gonna say approximately under where I'm standing is where that long blue duct runs to connect to the crawl space here. But let's talk about the next steps on this project. Up next, we have framing. We're gonna set the trusses, and I'm excited to see this project really go vertical. Well, thanks for joining us on today's episode, where we took you beyond the blueprint.